Well, I guess the wind was pretty strong here in Toma too. All those garbage bags were all stacked up. They weren't spread all over my driveway. My trash can wasn't blown over. These branches weren't here. I'll get them tomorrow. My jacuzzi lid wasn't open with branches in it. That's not too bad, not too much better than the jacuzzi. So that's good at least. Clean that out. Clean it the rest of the way tomorrow, but that's good enough for now. Yep. This little tree was too small to get destroyed, but boy, it's all bent in one direction now, that's for sure. Interesting. More branches. I don't even know what tree this came off of. There's no tree like that near it. Is this growing? Oh, I didn't even know I had that. Wow. Okay, well, I'm cutting that down. Never even noticed it. Okay.